Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Bitcoin Analytica. This is your host Joe Saz, and today we're gonna catch this move right now. Bitcoin's been pumping pretty crazy. We've had a move since I started streaming earlier. Um, we had a lot of consistent signals up here. Been pretty wild. Managed to make a few trades up in this, and now we've popped up above the mark here, and we're threatening a 30K push. So, we're going to cover this together. Anyone has any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Uh, and yeah, we're just going to try to observe this and get this party started. Getting some messages and stuff here. Hopefully everyone can tune in. So, I'm up here, guys. Andre, what's up? Such strong signals. Great to see you. Thanks for joining. Al Cubes, yo, great. What's up, man? Al Cubes, join the Discord channel. The notifications work in there, man. Uh, Yeah, lots of signals. 0 to 1.5 band signals, 0 to 1, 1 to 2.5 band signals. This is all the result of the really heavy wall sitting here at 30,000, 768 pack. Was there 800, I think 42 earlier. Some of that's been pulled. So, really curious to see what we're doing about this. We're on the 1 minute chart, watching this thing, and there's just no liquidity to the downside. So that's probably what's creating a lot of these signals. Everything is very consistent on the sell side. Yeah, Al Cubes, guess what, man? You'll like it. You'll like it. Come join the Discord channel. Go to sazanalytica.com, join the Discord channel. Fabian's signals are fantastic. I'm posting some stuff in there. It's a good time, man, and it's a good community. I think it's going to be good for all of us to have one spot where we can talk in different chats and stuff. Yeah, notifications in Discord, everything's good. Glad to hear, Andre. Look, Al Cubes, this is why we did it this way, man. It's so productive to get the notification. Every time I go live, it sets a notification in there. Fabian did a fantastic job making all that happen. So, here we are sitting at this really, really wild run to the upside. Damn. And there goes my sleep. No sleep. I gotta take William to school in a couple hours, 3 hours. So, emergency stream. Tell everyone we're live. We're gonna watch this for a bit. I think I slept for at least like 20 minutes. Better than nothing. Break above 30K would be pretty nasty. Alright, so we're seeing some good stuff happen here. Saturday morning hero. No sleep till Bitcoin. No sleep till Bitcoin. Dun, dun, dun. No sleep till Bitcoin, brother. Should come back. I do think it should too. But we all gotta be prepared for anything when we trade. This is a wild situation, so um so yeah, let's see here. Saturday morning hero, I hope you're in the Discord channel, man. Um haven't seen you before, but thanks for joining. Should I do think that we are probably coming back. Let's just see what this looks like on the daily. Wow, this is so nice. Massive CME gap down low. Wow. Oh, you are. Cool, man. Do I know you from before, or are you new to the group? All right, so we're still cooking here. Let's see what we got. A lot of attempts, man. A lot of attempts to keep pushing forward. 20. The sellers aren't really stacking the book with orders. 23 packs sold. Good mix, a good mix in here of action. 27, 29, 8, 3. Really heavy noise. My brother told me to join. We'll work the towing on unconfiscatable. Awesome, man. Well, thank you. And thanks to your brother. And Unconf is a sick conference, man. Probably one of my favorites. Good group of people, man. Really good group of people. As we all know, I'm short from my signals. I was playing in and out. But right now I'm caught, so I'm hoping for this thing to come back down. My break even is actually, after a few adjustments, it's now here. So I'm underwater by a good bit. Can see this coming down a little. I think this can come back to this area at the very least. Um, this is probably early morning to midday in Europe, probably China evening. So interesting to see the difference between Western and Eastern moves. A lot of noise, man. This is really cluttered up here. Fat wall at 30K, man. 628 down from 7 something. Okay, 776. 29.9 has a static wall already still. So we are stalling, which isn't a bad thing yet. But yeah, we are stalling. We're going to 30K before the retrace. I don't know yet. We are stalling, so that's not a good sign. Um, I honestly thought we were in danger of hitting 30. Me in danger of hitting 30 because I'm short. That's scary for someone like me in a short position. But it looks like along the way we've had some stops. And keep in mind, there are no buyers chasing the book. This is prime for a rip down pretty low, and we talked about the CME gaps that we have just local, 28.7 to 28.335, and then below that we got a couple more. So 28.335 down here. Look, you can see the liquidity is pretty much stacked just behind that, and everything in front is dynamic and pretty small. So yeah, I think this is a little bit dangerous of a move to the upside. It's very possible that this will come down, fall pretty hard. So starting to get a lower low. Does this thing come snapping back? I don't know, man. I don't see too many sellers really woken up right now either, so. Same here, just to shake people after that push, another one. Now it should come back. I have seen, yo, what's up, Impera? Good to see you. Big time mindset. Why not add to the short? I'm already in my short and I'm at a comfortable amount of leverage. Am I gonna live to regret the fact that I didn't add more leverage? Quite possibly. But, I'm not too worried about it. I'll be happy if I make my money. This would be a great opportunity, if you really are. I know Fabian. I know Fabian. I'm waiting for this thing just to so I can add you as a moderator here. There we go. Bam. There we go. So big time mindset. Why not add to short? Because it's risky. We're pretty close to 30,000, and I'll tell you what's going to happen at 30,000. There's going to be a triggering of a lot of stop losses, and so a lot of this wall is going to get eaten right out the gate. It's just going to be a flash of buys, stop loss positions triggered to buy into that wall, and then you don't know what else is there. So if I assume by now, if I really really stack heavy right here, I could live to regret it because instead of bailing at a loss, I would be doubling down or whatever, adding leverage, not necessarily doubling, but I'd be adding lev, and then if we go higher, I'll be losing at a greater pace, and we're very close to that area. So I don't want to risk more than I'm already risking. And at this point, um, I would be comfortable with the move back down to D-Lev, see what happens, and I'll D-Lev a bit, be comfortable with whatever profit I do make, because I'm sitting underwater, so what would you rather have, a little bit of weight and a little profitable bail? And then if it comes back up when you've deleveraged a good portion of your position comes back up, now I can add lev, raise my average entry way higher, and sleep at night. So I'm thinking this is mostly over. But the thing is, we've been really doing a lot of sideways work, and impulse up, impulse up, sideways, you know. It's been good. It's been good, but I need to I need to delev before I want to add more to my position because by the time this thing does rip a bit higher, what's your stop loss going to be? It can't be 30K because that'll trigger. And then what does it hit after 30K? Does it reverse at 30,100 and just be a little fuck you to the market? Or, I don't know what'll happen just yet. Obviously, it's hard to know something like that, but I could assume at the very least 30K would get nuked with the stops. A number of market buyers would kick things into overdrive, and it looks like it could go a bit higher. I mean, these are 100 packs we're talking about, not 800 and 500 and 500. So I don't want to double down right now because the risk of breaking 30K and going higher is very much real right now. Look, but sellers aren't moving an inch, man. 1.8, 1.5. Buyers are stacking the book. 112 leading the charge. 121. What's going on in Discord, guys? Yo, what's up, foil fuckers? Good to see you, brother. Oh, and for everyone, I posted in the referral section of the Discord channel the exchange that I'm partnering up with. There's currently a promotion going on, then there's going to be another promotion coming up next week. There's a promotion right now for a deposit bonus up until October 27th, and then starting October 22nd, deposit 500, get 500, and that 500 will give you 50% off your trades. That bonus will keep pushing toward every trade you make. It'll give you 50% off your trade. So for a while you'll have some free or 50% off trades there. So those are the first two bonuses we got coming out of this new exchange I'll be partnering with. And I encourage you guys to check that out. In addition to all that, I am going to be I'm going to allow copy trading. So if you guys want to do that, put some pocket change in. And I'll start the copy trading thing pretty soon, create the profile. Next week I'll make it so the copy trades are good to go. All right, let's see this. We need to lower high. I don't want to just grind back to the same spot. We need to stop, roll, roll. A lot of signals up here though. Pretty crazy. Man, night owl. Guess there's nothing wrong with being a night owl. Except that I gotta watch the fights on Saturday. Big move back up so far. Let's go, the All Blacks. Nice. All Blacks, man. Jonah Lomu, right? Jonah Lomu was a fucking G, dog. Oh shit, Jonah Lomu highlights. Can you check on Eth? I don't really. Let me see if I have Eth signals. I don't really know how good they are. I haven't worked on him in a long time. Oh, that was nice. Good bottom range here. Wow, so that's been going down. I would need to work on an S chart, to be honest. I need to work a bit harder to make an S chart look nice, but this is some approximation. Thick liquidity down here, 15-20 range, plus or minus. Similar overhead as Bitcoin, only that it's a little more robust in Ethereum. A lot of support along the way down. So not much to say about ETH right now. Um, it looks a little more like Bitcoin probably looked a few days ago. Liquidity on both sides of the book, maybe a little bit more heavy on the sell side up front, but we got some work to do with ETH, man. Shit. 1520 looks like that's where the support is. Here it is down here. It's probably support because it's static, hasn't really been checked yet. 15 flat, 1520, and then yeah, on down. Funding rate was crazy all day. Seems like it's starting to even out. Funding rate, I am seeing negative still. Interesting. Um, perps are stacked long. All right, a little bit of a bearish engulfing candle. Hey, good day, Ricardo. Good to see you, man. Positive on XC, barely. Interesting. Yeah, I'm on Deepcoin trading here. They're pretty decent. Um, a really good exchange. I'll do some live streams and I'll include it in here once I'm more actively trading. Right now I'm caught in a trade, so I need to run my VPN and all that. So, but yeah, Ricardo, good day and good to catch you in the comments. Great to see you here, buddy. Why do I keep hearing Discord go off? Non-KYC, I'll tell you this. Yeah, look, join Deepcoin, non-KYC, but just KYC with some bullshit, and it'll as long as you're not pulling out like $10,000 a day, they don't verify level 1 KYC. So I am trading on a, let's just say, a fake KYC. You just got to put some bullshit numbers in there and you'll be able to withdraw your funds. So I would take a look there. And also you can check in the Discord channel under referrals. There are little bits of information, and I'll be updating that with whatever bonuses we have going on. I'll also set up the Bybit one too because Bybit has been hitting me up with some promos. So I'm in a web Discord and can't switch to app. All right, Alcubes, I'm not sure what you're talking about. But yeah, Saturday morning hero. I think I honestly I really like this exchange, man. It's legit. I was playing around with a few before I settled here. Um, they have exits based on indicators, so let's say you have a condition to exit a portion of your position on a nuked RSI or something. It's pretty good. I like this exchange. Um, yeah, so we are cruising. I hope everyone's having a pleasant day. I'm assuming the only people tuning in right now are not in the US. So wherever you are, I hope life is good and you guys are having a beautiful day. Yep. It's looking good though. This is looking good. Lower high. Let's see if we get a lower low. Oh, you're in the West Coast Saturday morning, eh? Ooh, it's pretty late for you too, man. I think I'm just gonna have to pull an all-nighter. Oh man, I've come up with some funny shit over the years. Alright, so let's see here. Insomnia from trading. Well, yeah, this is what happens once you enter the freaking fold for real, you know? You're in. Alright, where's the Discord? Discord, where are you? I keep getting whatever. Alright, so yeah. Check out Deepcoin, guys. You'll love it. Threatening a lower low, getting close, a little bit of a fight, plus or minus, dust. Insomnia from trading West Saturday morning hero, West Coast, man. Yeah, I gotta be a little more productive. But man, you know, sometimes you gotta just play along. I just gotta make sure I can stay up all day Saturday and watch the fights, man. It's fucking gonna be fantastic. Alright, threatening a lower low slowly but surely. And nope, green candle. Let's see. Ricardo, I see a lot of top Binance managers leaving the boat, but it seems Binance got some banking partner in Europe for fiat deposit withdrawals. Don't know where it's going. You know, this is the thing, man. They're trying to they're going out to war with crypto, man. They've been going to war with crypto for a long time. You know, it's been unfortunate how nasty this war on crypto has been. We all knew it was coming. We were talking about it forever ago. Um, Horizontal. This isn't really a lower low just yet. Close, but no cigar. So the Binance thing is, I think it's honestly the source of a lot of FUD. That's what I think it is, man. Binance, like, look, crypto is under attack. Binance is a really big flagship of, let's say, like, circumventing regulation. So I think it's gonna be like that. It's gonna be like that. Binance is gonna be kind of in the news over and over again. All right. All right. Yeah, Binance, man. That's been an interesting one. They basically won the whale war and beat the shit out of FTX. So, oh no, man. I think they're CZ is pretty wealthy, man. Pretty untouchable. Spot bearings, perps bullish according to your chart. Spot's bearish, yeah. That look, there's no liquidity here, man. There's no the all the sell side liquidity is basically stacked until about 32,000, then very just thin air overhead. And down here we've had big moves, but no one's really chasing the run yet. So yeah, we need to see what happens. I mean, perps are bullish. Spot is static bearish. This is pretty crazy. Really strong action in this. It's a heck of a fight up here, man. Going sideways and up is pretty wild. Man, someone really wants to bust down this 30K wall. Looks like my son's gonna have to stay home today, man. I'm not gonna be able to drive him to school. He's gonna the second I turn away, shit's gonna pump. Let's see, big time mindset. Perps always win. Um, they tend to be on the right side of history, absolutely. Bearish, it's just been a weird time. It's definitely been a weird time, and now we're at a weirder time. I mean, it's been weird, guys. A lot has changed as a result of a fake news article. Some false news came out, and bam, now we're kind of full dick swinging bullish right now. It's wild. Mm-mm-mm. So we're really fighting for this. And look, you see that the sellers aren't stacking and refilling. This is a little bit uncomfortable of a situation right now. I might actually start trading this up here while underwater. What I'll do is I'll be trading top to bottom and deleveraging and adding leverage both at a loss until my average entry ultimately comes up here. And then I'll be at break even. This might be the plan. 29.8. Yeah, that's gonna be what I end up doing. Yeah, I'm gonna play this range up here. Pretty decent rush of action there. Time to get active, baby. Alright, let's see here. Looks like I'm about to get filled. 778, 779, 80. Alright, filled. Average entry has now moved up. Right about here. Alright. Any thoughts? Anything you guys want to voice? Don't hesitate. You know, we're just hanging out here. I'm just gonna try to play this range. I got in up here. Hopefully we'll pull that position out right here. Mm-hmm. Man, minute by minute, tick by tick. Really grinded this out, man. Wild. 11.1, 29.8. we're riding on the cooked end of the RSI too. You know, a little bit of an irrational thing going on here. So, let's see here. Can I change any of this stuff? No. A little bit of a cooked RSI. All right. Yeah, I'm staying up all night. I'm just gonna have to go with it. I need to play some video games. We've definitely had more whole number buys lately. I mean, by lately, I mean in the past few hours. You know, decent sized stuff. Ones and ones, fives. It's really drawn out moments though. Really long drawn out moments here. Really chilling. I feel like we need the New York City to wake up or something. East Coasters gonna wake up and start bashing this thing. You should grab some royalty-free music to play in the background. You know, I'm actually playing music right now. Let me see if I can. I don't disagree, Saturday morning. Um, I'm on OBS. I don't know how to play the background stuff. It was doing it accidentally. Oh shit, nice Fabian, perfect. Yeah, Fabian, come in clutch, man. Send me the telegram how to fucking add this shit, and I'll add it right now. Fabian, you're on top of shit, dude. Love it. Good teamwork, man. Yo, Duncan in Japan, great to see you. 110%, fantastic to have you here. Mentioned that I'm gonna start trading this range up here while at a loss. What I've done was I added it to my short up here, raised my average entry, got an exit right here, which would be at a loss relative to this position, though it'll be at a win. And what I could do is if this thing is gonna ping pong 5 times over the next couple hours, what I'll do is I'll keep playing this on repeat and just bring my average entry way up here, buy myself some time to think. Crikey, boil fuckers. Yeah, we're chilling. Oh man. All right. All right. So we'll have music soon here. Thank you, Fabian. And yep, we are going really kind of sideways here. And to be honest, it reminds me of what we were doing down here, which is why I want to play some positions at a loss, bring my average entry up. Every time I exit a position, it'll be losing money. But eventually, what'll happen is I'll be back at break even by pulling my average entry back up. Busting out some three ball trades, as they say. Takes a man with three balls to be able to pull these maneuvers. The U-Man, yo, what's up, dog? Any chance the 30K 1000 Bitcoin ask gets pulled could be a spoof. It's not that's a static order. So the U-Man Crypto, good to see you. I know I've seen you before. Great to have you around. And I don't think it's a spoof. What it is probably yeah, dude, three balls. Three large fucking balls, by the way. Three large balls. Oh, my Lanta. Look at all these buyers, man, stepping up to the table. Really stepping up to the table. Now 29.8 has a little bit more dynamic behavior. But yeah, a lot of buyers are stepping up now. Um, let's see here. But this is not fake. Maybe 200 or 300 of it is a spoof. But because earlier I noticed it was 800. It was an 800 wall, and I've seen it come down as low as like 770. Five packs sold 770 or something like that. So maybe 300 of this or 250 of it is dynamic and spoofer, but the majority of it certainly is not. Definitely not, guys. I You guys put on some background music on your computer so I don't sound like a boring idiot. I am gonna step away for 5 minutes. Um, I'll be back. All right, see you guys in a minute. Go Crypto Fire Pro. I am, in fact, up early. That is the trade life sometimes. We're really hanging out around here. Gonna put my feet up. Oh, chilling. Okay, so we're really riding this tight. I have a feeling this has something to do with some SEC news. Oh shit, I need more water. Uh, this is a tough trade. Tough trade. What's up with you guys? Anyone got anything cool going on? Hopefully we get the music up soon. Yeah, Charlie Sheen, I'm short. I'm short, but man, this is a risky one. This is my average entry right now. This white line, 29,442. Sitting underwater right now, trying to make some trades in the loss. I added some lev up here. Gonna try to pull that lev down here and see if we're gonna channel for a while. If I can, I'm just gonna keep pulling my average entry a bit higher. And if we break 30K, then I might have to bail, but at least it'll be at a smaller loss. So it's a tough trade. This is a tough one. Using all my little tricks of the trade to stay alive here, but this is risky business, man. Risky business. Risky business, brother. Perps seem to be increasing in asks slowly, steadily, a pretty constant amount of bids. Curious to see how this plays out. I mean, we're really riding it close, man. There's no liquidity on the buy side. Um, yeah, there's a lot of risk, a lot of reward. This thing comes back down even to here. That's real good, man. We still got two CME gaps down low, one real close. Um, so I don't know what's gonna happen. I like the fact that we are resolving our position above all moving averages. Multiple daily closes up here. This is looking real nice. It is Friday. We can expect some fuckery today. Damn, this is gonna be tough to go to sleep, man. Gonna be a tough one. Let's just take a look at the 5 minute. Curious to see what the RSI is doing. RSI is cooked on the top end. Yep. Uh, Daniel Reynolds, good to see you back streaming, Joe. Followed you since summer 2020. Hope all is good. Well, thank you so much for tuning in, Daniel and Charlie. Good to see you both. Daniel, thank you so much, for the support, brother. I'm happy to be streaming again, doing what I can to make us some wiser market participants. And yeah, I appreciate the support, man. If you haven't already, join the Discord channel, you guys. There's some great stuff in there. Me and Fabian are posting a lot of trades and stuff like that. There's a little community that we're building. There's even sports betting corner and all that kind of stuff. So if you haven't already, join the Discord channel. It'll also give you notifications every time I go live because we all know that the YouTube notifications suck. So I strongly encourage you all go to sazanalytica.com and you can join the Discord link from there. And I've posted in the referrals tab the exchange that I'm partnering with and the bonuses that will be given out. So working to oh shit, little impulse up there. Working to make get my relationships back with exchanges and give as much back to the traders. Exchanges are always trying to give incentives, but unless you know about them, you're not going to be able to take advantage of these, couple hundred tethers there, or however much it is. Right now, there's a promo going on until it's 27th where you deposit 2,000, you get 200 back, 10% back. And as of the 22nd, if you deposit 500, you'll get $500 will go toward 50% off of your trading fees. So you'll have 50% off your trades for a while. So yeah, I'm back in the fold, back trading, back doing my sleepless nights. Got my son crashed over here, sleep. He won't wake up for a thing, man. He sleeps like a angel. Yeah, but this is grinding out minute by minute. This is tough. Probably gonna have to go to sleep at 8 o'clock this morning. So, yep, what do you guys got going on? Where are you guys located? Are you, I know, I can see there's a Dunkin' in Japan. That gives me a bit of insight, but let's see here. It was, Saturday morning. You're on the West Coast. Who is, just give me your general time zones. I'm curious to know who's around this time. It's 5 a.m. my time. Curious to see who's around. 8 packs sold. Probably the most significant thing we've seen for a little while. Sellers aren't stacking this. Buyers aren't stacking the book really either. So there's a lot of open open air down here for a rush. I'm curious to see what this all means. We're stalling. We really are. High noon in Spain. Okay. High noon. 7 hours ahead. Charlie Sheen, much respect for being able to learn to trade and be able to make your own decisions that are profitable in the long run. 100%, man. I think it's so valuable for you guys to realize, you are the kings, you are the analysts, you are at the end of the day the ones who you need to trust the most. Tio, man, fucking Tio. I haven't seen you in a long time, man. Great to see you. 1300, just past noon. Pirate Harbor, yo, what's up? 9 p.m. Sydney. All right, all right. Where's the super chat button? Pirate Harbor. Oh no. Let me ask. Gonna figure that out. Gonna see if we can set that up. I'm sitting over here watching chat 11 a.m. London Daniel Reynolds. All right, a lot of stuff over there. 3 a.m. for you Saturday mornings. Yep, West Coast, man. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can enable it. I'm over here. I'm also watching the Joker. Let's see, YouTube Studio. Looks like I might need 500 more followers and 2,000 more public watch hours. But I'm gonna take a look at this. See what I can see what I can do. Obviously, need to get out of my comfort zone a bit. Okay, but I'm gonna check that out, Pirate Harbor. Thanks for bringing that to my attention. Yeah, I'm really enjoying the long content again. Took me a minute here to really get back into the fold, but I'm back with 2 feet in. Back with 2 feet in. It's crazy how small the world is on a stream. You know, it's great to have so many people from around the world. I think it's fun, man. I think it's so fun. And I don't know if you guys have seen Joker, but yo, this movie is so good. Really good movie, man. I remember when it first came out, I was just like, man, this can't be good. Some bullshit. I watched it. I was blown away. I watched it on an airplane. Like, didn't have anything else to do, right? So, let's see. Charlie Sheen says, I used to play poker for a bunch of years and got into crypto more or less the same way as you did, but somehow was never able to translate into success in trading. You know, yeah, we'll talk about Joker here in a sec. I'll tell you this, Charlie. I always say that I learned to trade out of desperation. I figured out order book analysis by staring at a screen for so many hours, so many days, weeks, months, took so many notes, and just spent all my time with the mentality that if I stare at this long enough, I'm going to figure it out. Obviously, there's flaws to any analytical method, but you know, I uh, I got, lucky and made some good decisions, turned this into something. Spent a lot of time, spent a lot of time for sure. Buyers are getting antsy, man. Wow, they're really pushing this thing higher. Man, 7.24 sold into that. A lot of stuff is happening right now. This is crazy. East Coast should be waking up right now. I can't imagine people are going to wake up and think buy. Man, we got to get ready to bail from this. 29,840. We're attempting a higher high. Getting rejected. Been going a lot of sideways. This is crazy. I think we could break out, dude. I really do. This is sketchy. I'm getting a little nervous about my position here. Yeah, Joker was such a good movie, man. Um, I'm such a fan. Really good, really good directing, script, fantastic acting. I mean, really, really well done masterpiece of a movie. A lot of consistent signals, man. A lot of them. Okay, fucking hard impulse swept. Wow, dude, this is getting pushed hard. Pirate Harbor, scared it won't live up to the Heath Ledger Joker. I will say this, Pirate, it's a totally different concept of the Joker. The Ledger Joker, I think, is probably the best because, like, in the way that it was tied into the Batman franchise, I think the Heath Ledger Joker was the best one that ever was. But this Joker, it's a very different idea on the Joker and what he like was in the DC universe. It's like a very good psychological tale of the Joker becoming the Joker, and Joaquin Phoenix did a fantastic job bringing this character to life in just the exact right way. And the scene of New York City in the 1980s or whatever it is, looks like the 80s, and it's a totally different thing. I wouldn't recommend that you look at it as who's better, him or Heath Ledger, I would say look at this as a standalone piece, and I think you'll be very pleasantly surprised. This has so much to offer, um, just from a cinematic perspective. It's a very, very good movie, man. Fantastic movie. Highly recommend to watch it. It's free right now in my region, at least, on Amazon Prime. Man, so you can see the walls. Wow, dude, they're just tumbling down. Buyers are getting more and more confident. This is becoming a really strong threat to the 30K wall narrative. Look, all those orders got pulled out of 29.9. Hiccup. Just don't watch the Flash movie. That's one thing I probably won't do. Almost every other DC movie is trash to me. Um, there's actually the only DC movies that I really like are the animated ones. The Flashpoint Paradox is the beginning of an animated series of about 15 movies, kind of like how the Avengers has a bunch of movies, or the MCU has a bunch of movies that like leads to the Avengers and all that stuff, and so on, Thor and Captain America and all them. And there's a version, cartoon versions. They're so good though, man. They're so damn good. There's Constantine, you have Batman, you have uh, the Flash, and he's actually pretty legit. And you have Superman, and dude, the cartoons are so good, man. So I recommend if you guys can check this out, just go and it's on that. I'm pretty sure they're all on HBO Max, and you can just start with the Flashpoint Paradox and go all the way to the end, and it's so fucking good, man. It's so good. Let's see here. Big bullish candle there. So that's like the main DC ones, but otherwise I like V for Vendetta. That's the DC masterpiece. Um, the Christian Bale Batmans, those are good. Um, Watchmen's okay. Yeah, Pirate Harbor, man, you gotta watch this Joker movie, dude. I guarantee you, you're gonna really enjoy it. Second Suicide Squad one. Oh, you know what? I didn't watch that one. It's on. I can watch that. You know what? I'm gonna turn it on next. Where's my remote? Oh yeah, nice. My remote's right here. I don't even have to move a muscle. Perfect. Yeah, the first one, dude, the Suicide Squad concept could have been so much better. They really fucked it up, man. Alright, I'm gonna check this one out right now. I'm gonna play that movie. Joker literally just ended as we said that right now. I'm not gonna watch Wonder Woman. I'm definitely not watching Wonder Woman. I don't care what you tell me. I'm not watching that shit. Fucking Wonder Woman. Alright, let's see here. Suicide Squad. Alright. Here goes everything. Man, these bulls are really fighting. Bears are doing nothing. I like Wonder Woman better in the cartoon ones, man. It was really good. The cartoon ones. You gotta watch it. Go look for the Flashpoint Paradox. That's the first one. Alright. Volume should still be good in the mic. I'm watching Suicide Squad, the new one, right now. OG Justice League cartoon. Haven't seen that, I don't think. It's late 90s, early 2000s. Alright. Entered short here, big time mindset. Interesting, man. That's really ballsy. Good top, man. It's a great fucking entry right here. New high. Waiting to enter short, Tio. Yeah, this is tough. This looked like it was fucking fantastic. A lot of stuff overhead here. And there's just no liquidity on the buy side. They just left it empty. So I'm very curious right now, man. Whatever happens, this is still very valuable information as to the future of what this market has in store for us. Some bigger buy packs coming in the book. Yeah, this is getting a little crazy. I mean, I'm losing control of the short right now. We're at 29.89, 29.9 basically, high of 29.95, just short of 30. So this is tough, man. This is real tough. They're really pushing for this 30K wall. Five pack sold, yeah. Eight pack, six pack, nine pack. Wow, these buyers are getting real serious right now. Four pack, sell side. Man, dude, they are really pushing for this thing to go up. 13 pack bot, threatening 30,000 hard. Man, it's just up candle after up candle. This is wild. 4.5, 1.2. So many green candles. Really pushing. We got a fat stack on the buy side, head top of the book. This is getting Pretty wild. I might bail a little bit of my trade. Give myself some distance. Pushing higher highs. Fat wall at the top of the book right now. Man, this thing's going crazy. $30K seems to be putting up the fight. 108 Bitcoin bought. That was the stop loss triggers. Fat stacks of orders killing that line. 312 still intact. 300 intact. 299. 303 still alive at the 30,000 buy wall. Things are looking like so far the majority of that wall absorbed the damage. Could very well have been a stop hunt. Wow, this is a stressful trade. Still sitting just below 30K wall. It stayed alive. I'm gonna pause the movie. I gotta watch this. But yo, we had a fat stack of orders trigger at that 30K. Let's take a look at 30K, 108 Bitcoin, 13, 7, 6, 7, 34, 54, 56. A lot of orders triggered and nuked a lot of that wall. I mean, it looks like maybe 250 Bitcoin hit the 800 wall, brought it down to 290. So we're talking around you know, 2 to 300 Bitcoin eaten out of that chunk, with 300 still standing. So that means 500 out of 800 of that Bitcoin was static. Good to note. Good to note. It was approximately, let's just say, 60 or so percent of that wall was stacked. All right. Now we wait to see what happens, because that could very well have been a hunt. And I hope you guys are good at holding your breath, man. That was wild. Looks like sellers woke up finally. Yep, people wanted to see that 30K rejection, I guess. Oh, big red candle. Man, this has been stressful. Big mindset. Yeah, that's probably what I look right now. Definitely wild. I was worried for you when I saw that 100 BTC. I'm finding this stressful watching. Shit, man, I'm finding this stressful watching too. Holy cow, man. Saturday morning getting short. Yeah, I mean, this could have been the point, man. This is absolutely wild though. This is why it's called a three ball trade. Um, the U-Man crypto, this is a type of trade that takes three balls to freaking hold it down, This is a difficult situation. Big red coming along. Let's see what happens though. A lot of buyers, three pack, three pack, three pack. Wow, so Suicide Squad, man, off to a very interesting beginning. Not optimistic. If that wall holds, there's another attempt at it in US trading hours. I'm thinking kind of the same thing, the human crypto, but this is, to me, this is buying the top. I mean, the wiggle room you have for an upside move from here isn't much higher. So I'm uh I'm not 100% ready to think that they're gonna start pumping this higher. Interestingly enough, you could see the massive fall off in asks as a result of crashing into that 30K wall. Perps are more bullish than they were a number of minutes ago. Yeah, we're cooking still. We're cooking still. Theoretically, 31,250 could be possible from here, but yeah, too much of a gamble. We're in the middle. Yeah, yeah, you're not wrong. And look, $1,000 move to the upside from here. It's a little bit aggressive, not out of the realm of possibility to me, but I think if people are gonna wake up, they're not gonna think I need to buy. They're gonna probably think I need to hold or sell. That's what I'm thinking. So we are chilling. Yo, Fabian, is there anything I can do right now to get some music in the background? A little 1980s porn music or something like that? Some nice little porno tunes. People buy when it's green and sell when it's red. That's also very true. That's a very good point, Fabian. The higher price goes, the more people buy. That does tend to happen. Happy Friday, right? Wake up, fucking Friday pumped at 35. Man, we're recovering all of that candle. Man, these buyers are not playing around today, man. They want to party. They want to partay. All right. All right. Yo, Abadachi, man. That's a funny ass little thing you just posted in Discord. That's so true. That's exactly how we feel right now. Oh, nice big time mindset. That's you. Yo, that shit is hilarious. That's a good one, man. And I love fucking K and Peele, man. K and Peele are so fucking funny. Is this country song racist? I'll never forget that skit. Is this country song racist? Yo, that's one of the funniest things I've ever seen. If you guys can go to YouTube and look up "Is this country song racist?" and click on the K and Peele thing. Yo, it's so freaking hilarious. Looks like we're coming in for another sweep at 30K. This is sketchy. We'll worry about music next time, guys. We'll worry about music soon. I need to figure out, like, there's probably going to be a source or something. I need to click and load some new things, and it's going to be a little bit of effort. We're so close to 30K again. Yo, people are getting excited. Oops. Back at 30K. Orders getting filled. 30K getting pressed hard. Currently holding static wall. 81 left, 19 pack. Wow, 30K dead. Dead and flying. Alright, I think I'm gonna bail on my trade. A lot of action getting pushed right now. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to live to fight another day, man. I just exited greater than 50% of my position. I will have to let this ride for a little while. Interesting. That's the little East Coast move. Yeah, I had to bail from some of this. Took a 50% stop loss. Big reversal candle, but I honestly couldn't risk this. Big reversal candle. Yeah, corn is very strong. The corn, man. Don't want to sleep on the corn. Where did we get so bullish? All this ETF talk, man. Changing the way things are happening. I'll take another 5-minute break. One thing to note, the aggregated spot markets are looking pretty decent right now. Oh man, back. Yeah, this is really right now. I like what's happening here. Obviously, for the overall market condition, dude, it would be fantastic if we have like some sort of little mini bull run, a sick bull run pre-halving. That would be really unique. I think that would be so fantastic. Signals are strong. I can't believe we really busted. I mean, generally you only get signals that get broken down this badly when the market is bullish or bearish. So in this case, the argument would be that the market is really bullish, and because we're nuking a lot of this resistance. Whereas in the bear market, you'll have pockets of massive support, and those will get nuked, right? So it's very possible that's what we're dealing with right now. Some absolute annihilation of resistance because we're in a bull market because the picture is clearly bullish now or something. So another 10 pack bot, yeah, dude, people are really into this right now. People are. interesting. Back in 5. Guys, I'm here. This looks like it's resolving. I think I'm just gonna kick back and watch a while. I don't know if you guys can hear me too well. I'm gonna call it for now. I'm getting kind of tired, but I gotta stay up for the next couple hours and get my son to school, and I'll probably be able to go to sleep. So for now, I'm leaving this trade going. So a hard second impulse. So we're dealing with some action here. We'll have to see how this plays out. It's kind of wild. But much love to you all. Um, I'll be catching you guys on the next stream. I'm probably gonna have to sleep in the day tomorrow, so I'll try to be streaming in the evening or something late afternoon. All right, everyone. Much love to you all. Take care. Do your shower water cold.